Malinaw. Narinig ko, madam. 5 tao may higit. Sa Pasig, may kinalaman sa kotse at pera. Milyon na pinag-uusapan. May malalim silang plano.
Tagpiin mo lahat ng narinig mo at simulan mo na ang investigasyon.
Kinakabahan ako, pero gagawin ko.
Alright. Yeah. Well, I must admit, I can't explain any of these thoughts racing through my brain. It's true. Baby, I'm howling for you. Alright. There's something wrong with this plot. The actors here have not got a clue. Baby, I'm howling for you.
Madam, pupunta ba tayo sa anniversary ng Telepreneur Corporation?
Oo naman.